Congratulations, you have succeeded in creating a Bitcoin wallet. And then we're going to be looking at the basic things, basic setups that need to be done on this platform. And which one of them is setting up your platform to be secure enough such that people will not easily hack into your platform. What are we supposed to do? We'll first move to the security center, and but before we move to the security center, I want to get you acquainted to the interface. Now let's say be your own bank. Setting the Bitcoin wallet is like you having your own bank account. Everything comes in, you control the movement of your fund. Every money you receive comes into the bank account and you control it. You know where it is, and you know where the money you're sending out is going to. So we're going to look at the security center, which is one of the most important things to be looked into. I call it the basic priority. For me, security is very, very important to me. Now we're going to check to verify the email. We're going to verify the email because it is very, very important to us. Now I want to verify the email address. I want to verify this email address. I'll go to my this tnet, okay, which I used earlier for creating the Bitcoin wallet, and I'll have to confirm it. They already sent me an email, so I will have to confirm it. I have to confirm it. Oh, sorry. I'll come here and say verify email. So it will be verified to tell me that email address has been verified. It is successful. So that means now that for us to log in into our Bitcoin, to our blockchain wallet, we can actually get an email which will help us. So this email has been verified, and we'll also have to move ahead and set up our backup security phrase. We'll click on this, and then we'll say backup phrase. This backup phrase, we're going to enter our main wallet password. This is a security measure which must be used. So I will use the password for this, and then I will submit. It will take me to this place. You can print recovery sheet if you want. The sheet has been printed, but then we'll not just need to move to next, and then I will just tell you, let's open up this and see what we'll have in it. Let's see what we'll have in it. This is our recovery sheet. What do we have in it? Okay, you're just supposed to print it and then type whatever thing, all the phrases that will be given to you. But instead of that, let us not waste much time. What we're going to do is let's go back here, and then these are the words. We'll copy it, just highlight and copy. I'll copy this, then I will open my notepad. I'll open my notepad. Okay, I use Notepad++ because it's easier for me. So I open it, and then I'll create a new file. Then I'll paste this here. This is number 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and then we'll still go back to this place, and then we'll say next forwards. We'll get the 5th to 8th. We'll still copy it, and then come back to our notepad, and still place it. This is our notepad. I'll paste. We'll still come down again and go for the next forwards. We'll have those 12 words in all. So we'll copy this, and then we'll move again. And we'll paste. I think everything is complete. Now we can say final step. Now the third word. What is the third word? We'll switch back and get the third word. The third word is crystal. We'll copy it, move, and then put the crystal here. We'll get for the 8th word. Go back, look out for the 8th word, get it and paste. We'll do that for the 10th. And the 6th word. Word. We'll finish, and then backup recovery phrase has been successfully saved. We'll click on next. Then there is another important thing. You can actually put a password hint if you like, but if you don't, you can leave it. Let me just say my password. This will actually help you to always remember your password. I know that that's my password, so I will always remember. Now the next stage now is we could actually come down and add a phone number. But before then, if you want to link your mobile, it means that each time you want to log in, you will have to log in two ways. Then if you enable the two-step, you are going to log in to each time a verification will be sent to your phone, which is a very good security measure. You can try that out later. Just add your mobile number, save it, and then you click on enable two-step. Click on enable, it will automatically be enabled each time you want to log in, or each time any transaction is taking place on your account that requires logging in. It will have to send you a code which you must enter to continue. This is the basic tutorial on Security Center. Since we've done this now, it therefore requires that we check out other things. There are things you're supposed to know about transactions. On the transaction page, you're supposed to see all the transactions. You have all the tab, and then you have the sent, you have received, you have the transferred. Everything about your transaction, the transaction you sent out to people, the one you received, and the one you transferred from one address to another is very, very important. And then when we move to the settings, there are several things we are going to find out in the settings tab. This tab now, we're going to see the wallet information, which gives you a basic information about your wallet. It tells you what your wallet ID is. It tells you the mobile app pairing code. When you if you want to pair it, you're going to get the code. In case you have a mobile app which you download from Play Store, you can find it for Apple systems. You can get it on iOS App Store, or you can get it on Android Store for those using Android phones. Then you can pair. With this now, you can actually operate everything about your mobile, about your Bitcoin wallet. You can operate it from your mobile device. We'll talk about preferences. Preferences is where you have to set everything about your mobile. It tells you what you've set, what you've not set, and the things you still need to put in order. Like this one now, this particular area shows us the email address and it is verified. The mobile number is unverified. We've not verified it. If you want to change, you can change and make it verified. And then the wallet's language is also there. The wallet currency, you can decide to change your currency to euro. You can change it to Iceland krona, you can change it to Hong Kong dollar, or any other one, but the default is US dollar, which is a default for our Bitcoin wallet. We're going to still scroll down. Bitcoin units, adjust the precision you would prefer Bitcoin values to be displayed in. We want it to be displayed in BTC, which is the basic Bitcoin. I don't want it to be in this or in bits. We just want it to be in basic Bitcoin. And then notification, get notification when you receive Bitcoin. Is either by email or by phone, but this cannot be enabled since you've not added a mobile number, so that option is not enabled. Bitcoin links handling is also another one here. You can enable this to allow your blockchain wallet to handle Bitcoin payment links in the web browser. This will make your experience more convenient when transacting online. Another one is auto logout. After a certain period of inactivity, you will be automatically logged out of your wallet. This is 10 minutes by default, but we can change it. You can change it to 1 hour. You can change it to 60 minutes. I want to make this 60 minutes. Then I will save it for 60 minutes, which means if it's inactive for 60 minutes, it will log out. But sometimes it is necessary as well that you make it very small. Set it to 20 minutes, such that when you are not active for 20 minutes, it logs you out automatically. Now, teams, try out different teams for the wallet. You can decide to use any team at all which you want. That is all to you. There are so many things for you to view on this area. Now, security is another issue, is another area. It is telling us what we've done at the security segment. We've verified the recovery phrase. We've verified the wallet password. The password is set. Password hint is set. Second wallet password is not set. This is very important because at the time when you want to send money, you would need to enter a second wallet password, which if you don't have, it will just be so easy for someone to transfer your money. Anyone who has password to your basic wallet will transfer it. Now we're going to set up this. Okay, I'll put in the password again. Okay, I will set it, which means anytime we want to make a transfer, we'll have to enter the password each time. Then the two-step verification, it is not enabled, and we don't want to enable it right now. Remember, two-step verification is enabled. Your browser will be remembered for a short period of time. So that is just that about this. Now the most important thing about this is the addresses. What does the addresses do? The addresses contains where you can, it contains the addresses to your Bitcoin, how you are going to receive money. If for instance you want to get money from someone, what do you really need? A Bitcoin wallet address is very, very important. And here my Bitcoin wallet contains the addresses, but by default, how do you get these addresses? You can click on manage, and then when it loads, you can see show used addresses. On this point, you're going to see the unused addresses, which we don't have any right now because there is none that has been created. Then for the used addresses, by default, blockchain creates an ID. It creates an address for us, which is a basic address that we'll have. You're going to copy this each time you want to receive an account, each time you want to receive a fund from someone. And if you want to find out more about how to use blockchain wallet, how to use your wallet here to control series of transactions, please make reference to my video on how to create multiple addresses using one blockchain, using one Bitcoin wallet. I hope you do enjoy this video. This is the where we'll take it out this moment. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, my name is John Ajah.